How to register for fan club presale on Weverse Blackpink. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Weverse. Make sure you are using the updated version. Enter a login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, the very first thing you want to do is to join the community of Blackpink. Click on this plus icon right here. Search for the Blackpink and then tap on join right beside it. Once you have joined the page, the next thing you want to do is head over to shop at the bottom of the screen. Once you are inside the shop, now what you want to do is head over to Blackpink. First of all, you have to purchase this Blink membership. Tap on Blink membership. Click on purchase. Now fill up the information that is asked over here and then choose the payment method. Once selected, tap on accept and pay. Once you have bought the membership, now what you want to do is wait for the Blackpink to announce the registration for the fan club presale. All you gotta do is fill up the registration form and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.